Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn and understand how to reduce, control the percentage heat loss due to convection in a boiler system. We will cover the following key topics in this session. The first topic is why heat loss occurs in a boiler. Next, the second topic is what is the percentage heat loss due to convection. Next, the third topic is ranges of the percentage heat loss due to convection. And finally, the fourth topic is how to reduce the percentage heat loss due to convection. We will cover the above topics in the upcoming slides. Next, we will learn and understand the why heat loss occurs in a boiler. When a boiler burns fuel to produce heat, not all of that energy is used efficiently. Some portion of energy is always lost. A boiler burns fuel to generate heat, which is then used to produce steam or hot water. However, not all of the heat released from the fuel is transferred to the water. Some of the heat is inevitably lost for various reasons. Please refer to the picture below for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand what is the percentage heat loss due to convection in a boiler. Convection heat loss occurs when heat from the hot surfaces of the boiler, such as the boiler shell, piping, and ducts, escapes into the surrounding air due to the movement of air. It may be natural or forced. Heat loss due to the movement of air. It may be natural or forced convection over hot boiler surfaces. Next, we will learn and understand the ranges of percentage heat loss due to convection in a boiler. In large modern water tube boilers, well insulated, its percentage of the heat losses ranges from 0.2% to 2%. In older or poorly insulated boilers, its percentage of the heat losses ranges from 1% to 4%. Even small percentages can cause significant energy loss over time. These losses don't contribute to steam generation but still consume fuel energy. Next, we will learn and understand how to reduce the heat loss due to convection in a boiler. Below are the recommended strategies to reduce the percentage heat loss due to convection in boilers. The first recommendation, to reduce the heat loss, to maintain the proper insulation. First and most effective step, upgrade the insulation. Ensure all boiler surfaces are well insulated using high quality materials to minimize heat escape. Apply high-quality thermal insulation on all hot surfaces, boiler shell, steam piping, headers, and valves. Use high-performance insulation materials like ceramic fiber, calcium silicate, or mineral wool on boiler surfaces. Replace any damaged, aged insulation or missing insulation during maintenance shutdowns. The second recommendation, to reduce the heat loss, to control air movement. Reduce drafts or wind exposure, especially in outdoor boiler setups. Install wind barriers or locate boilers in sheltered environments to minimize forced convection. The third recommendation, to reduce the heat loss, reduce surface area exposure. Enclose exposed parts of the boiler system to minimize the surface area in contact with ambient air. Use insulated enclosures around equipment prone to convection losses. Next, we will learn and understand how to reduce the heat loss due to convection in a boiler. Below are the recommended strategies to reduce the percentage heat loss due to convection in boilers. The fourth recommendation, to reduce the heat loss, to use of radiation shields or cladding. Install outer metal cladding or radiation shields which can also act as barriers to air movement. Shields reduce air velocity near hot surfaces, decreasing convective heat transfer. The fifth recommendation, to reduce the heat loss, to maintain boiler room temperature. Keep the boiler room warm and sealed to reduce temperature differences between boiler surfaces and the surrounding air. The sixth recommendation, to reduce the heat loss, to optimize boiler design. Select boilers with compact, streamlined casings to reduce the surface area exposed to the surroundings. The seventh recommendation, to reduce the heat loss, to implement the regular maintenance. Inspect and maintain insulation integrity, especially after shutdowns or repairs. Service boiler doors and access panels to ensure they close tightly and don't allow convection losses. Next, we summarize, and conclusion of this video is. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Why convection heat loss happens. What percentage of heat is lost. How to identify typical loss ranges. And most importantly, 7 smart ways to reduce it. We hope you found this video helpful and now have a better understanding of how to reduce the heat loss due to convection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues and friends in the power plant or energy sector. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tutorials videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.